Who am I here with?
Alex. Lucas.
Okay, what do you think this number means recycle-wise? Like, how recyclable is it?
Very? Not very. Not at all. Just barely.
Thank you. Who am I here with?
Gavin.
How recyclable do you think number 1 is?
How many? Not recyclable at all.
That's wrong. Here with?
Mrs. Nutter.
Okay, how recyclable do you think this number is?
Fairly recyclable? Not an option. Wait, what?
Yes, no.
Maybe?
Who am I here with?
Mr. Rickson.
Okay, how recyclable is that number right there?
Number 6. Not very recyclable.
Who am I here with?
Audrey.
And what day is it?
My birthday.
Naomi.
Sophia.
Okay, how recyclable is that right there?
Very.
Yeah, very.
Maybe. Extremely recyclable.
It's maybe. It's maybe.
Who am I here with?
Colton.
Riley. How recyclable is that number right there?
It's a song.
Yeah.
Yeah, like not recyclable.
I don't know.
You gotta donate that.
To make it easier, we're going to give O'Connell the objects.
Who am I here with?
Mr. Edmondson.
Is this recyclable?
Yes.
No.
Who am I here with?
Fiorella.
Alexia. Gabby.
Jake.
How recyclable is this object?
Yes.
That's correct.
Who am I here with?
Samantha. Sydney. Erica.
Naz.
How recyclable is that item right there?
It's not recyclable. Not. It is.
Least recyclable item on Earth.
Not what? Not recyclable. Not recyclable.